Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a game in Chikii. Chikii is an innovative cloud gaming platform that brings the excitement of PC gaming directly to your mobile device. Imagine playing hundreds of your favorite computer games without needing a powerful gaming rig. All you need is the Chikii app and a reliable internet connection, ideally a strong Wi-Fi signal, to dive into an immersive gaming experience. Getting started with Chikii is quite straightforward. First, head over to your mobile device's app store and download the Chikii application. Once installed, you will need to create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Remember to ensure your device meets the basic system requirements for the app to run smoothly. Finally, connect to a robust Wi-Fi network, ideally with at least 15 megabits per second download speed, for the best experience. With your account set up, it is time to pick a game. Navigate through Chikii's extensive game library, which features hundreds of popular titles. Once you have found a game you wish to play, simply select it. You can then choose to join an existing game room with other players or initiate a brand new session. The system will then connect you to a server, and your game will begin loading shortly. To maximize your gaming enjoyment, Chikii offers flexible control options. You can utilize the intuitive on-screen controls, or for a more traditional feel, connect a Bluetooth gamepad to your device. Feel free to adjust the in-game settings to suit your preferences, such as graphics quality or control sensitivity. Always keep an eye on your internet connection to minimize any potential lag. Now, immerse yourself in the world of high-quality PC gaming, right from your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.